We are recreating the moment when the Shuttle Discovery was flown and did passes around the Capitol Mall. So we are depicting the shuttle, we are depicting the Capitol Dome and the other buildings surrounding. We used our computer skills and in 3D and actually built the entire structure out of cans or replication of cans on the computer to make sure everything lined up and to work our structure down to the foundation.
We are essentially the builders. We construct the cans. They put it together as an assembly. When we are laying out the cans, we use them on a grid system. So we identify them by the vertical columns that they're going to be in. We label them, and it makes the assembler easier to identify what position, where they go. I mean, this is no different than building a Lego with cans rather than the actual Lego bricks. So you just have to be able to visualize it. So tape is our best friend. It's like that's like the mortars to our brick.
And our next step right now that our streetscape and our buildings are completed are to put the shuttle up on top of the buildings and start piling the cans on top of that, making sure that since the shuttle is slanted, we need to make sure that putting the cans on top isn't going to shift the structure back, which would cause everything to fall. So once we do that, then we're going to start building the Capitol. And the really complicated part about that is going to be the dome itself, which is a fairly structurally complex. But once that's done, the crowning moment is going to be putting the honey bear on top, which is supposed to be the Statue of Freedom on top of the Capitol dome.
So we're putting the actual shuttle together, which will be the body. So we're working on the main body of the shuttle. And so what I'm trying to do is make sure that the whitest part of this can is what you see.
So those are going to be, that's the template for the dome. So on top of the square base, it turns into a cylinder. So we've got, I think it's 2 levels that are the same, and then it moves in, and then 2 levels or 3 levels the same, and then it starts the actual dome. So it's like the top of the Capitol. All right, home stretch, boys and girls. Wait, hold it for a while. Did we get a photo of it?